Hello and welcome back. Today we will be showing you how to make another UK childhood classic, similar to the chocolate concrete what we did. This is something you would find regularly served at a primary school. This is known as chocolate hedgehogs or cornflake cakes. However, we have added to the recipe to make it taste even better. We begin by crushing up 200 grams of cornflakes. We do this so it is easy to shape them at the end. The smaller they are, the easier it will be to shape. We then place 120 grams of butter into a pan, along with 140 grams of golden syrup. We then heat this on a medium-low heat until the butter has combined with the golden syrup. When the butter is fully melted and combined, take it off the heat. Set the syrup mixture to cool slightly, as it will be easier to form the shapes that we need, where we're going to add 30 grams of cocoa powder and mix in very thoroughly. We're then going to add a couple of drops of orange extract to create chocolate orange cornflake cakes. If you want to stick to the original version of chocolate hedgehogs, you can just leave this part out. However, I would recommend it as it would add a lot more taste to it. However, make sure that you mix the orange extract in, as you want the flavour distributed evenly. We're then going to pour the syrup mixture over the cornflakes, mixing with a spoon. It may not seem like it will come together at first to coat all of the cornflakes. However, if you keep on mixing, all of the cornflakes will get coated. We're then going to place them onto a baking sheet. Usually they would be much smaller than the ones we're making, but we want to make large ones, so we're going to use a soup ladle. We're going to tightly press the mixture into the ladle, making sure it is as packed as possible. We're then going to turn it over onto a baking sheet, where it will have the classic shape that looks like the chocolate hedgehogs from school. It's important to make sure they are as packed as possible, as if you do not do this, they might fall apart and not hold the shape that you want. If you do not care about having them in the shape that we are showing, forming into any shape that is easiest for you will also be fine. Once they are on the baking tray, we're going to leave them for a few hours to cool down completely. Once they are completely cooled, you should be able to pick them up without any issues and be able to enjoy them straight away. You can eat these on their own or with custard. However, either way it will be delicious. Thank you for watching our adaptation of a school classic. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and check out our social media handles below. We've also started releasing some YouTube short versions of our videos. If you would like to check those out, they are also on our channel.